Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I will tell you how can you write a program to print even numbers from 1 to 10 using for loop. So this is the program which we have written in the last video. If you have not seen the last video, you can check description to view the playlist and watch all the videos in series to learn Python from scratch. So now let's move to the program. So this is the program which I have written in last video. So this program is writing numbers from 1 to 10. Now we have to write numbers from 1 to 10, even numbers from 1 to 10. So I will write here starting point is 2 as the first number that is even is 2, and we have to write till 1 to 10. So this will be same 2 to 11, but we have to write as even number, so I will write here 2. So this 2, what will do is this 2 will step up the values, means first the compiler will write 2 and then 4. It will step up the 1 value and then it will write 6 and then 8 and it will continue till 10. So now I am running this program. So here you can see it is writing 2 to 10 numbers. So again I will run it after. So you can see here it is written here 2 to 10, even numbers from 2 to till 10. So this is how you can write a program in Python to print even numbers from 1 to 10, or can say 2 to 10 in Python. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.